for soldiers, you know. Soldiers don't go to hell. It's war. Soldiers, they kill other soldiers. They kill other soldiers. They kill other soldiers.
Fam, I used to have them bundles like a pack of bitch hair. See me make them disappear, pull a sack from thin air. Used to have them on the corner, back to back the witch blare. The diesel out of nature, boy. So the smack was Ric Flair. The Texan only came in nines, like the back of McNair. Them niggas used to run them packs. I had that, so it's fair. They sprayed the crib, thought you was dead. They just had a big scare. I'm by his house, I'm waiting on him. He just had to get there.
Off wax, I'm gentle, you might mistake me, get faxed the memo. Relapse, I'm mental, I might can make it look accidental. The shooters in black in the back of Reynolds get whacked. When smoke, you get all of that if they crack the window. No hot boxing, they just Glock popping, cops watching. I'm stepping through them blocks, hopscotching, job robbing. Got the golden eye hoit till I'm jobbing. That's when Peter get parked by the hobgoblin. Savate shots, your insides throbbing. I'm icy-eyed from inside sobbing.
Fam, I used to have them bundles like a pack of bitch hair. See me make them disappear, pull a sack from thin air. Used to have them on the corner, back to back the witch blare. The diesel out of nature, boy. So the smack was Ric Flair. The Texan only came in nines, like the back of McNair. Them niggas used to run them packs. I had that, so it's fair. My last dance, the music stopped. Then I had to sit chair. My mom was waiting on her cub, like she Maggie Sinclair.
3 trials in that jam to get Cam out of. The Cam but Cam bout to examine that manpower. Born in the land, they put in hands of them grams powder. Gripping my hands, I turn your mans into clam chowder. I graduated out of that slammer, she damn prouder. Drove 45 minutes to sit for a damn hour. We riding till the tide started hitting that sand tower. 3 nozzle heads, but it's 2 man to a damn shower. Lather soaked and rotate, had to cope with no mate. Freedom ain't a laughing matter, so don't joke with your fate. Told my celly I had court, said he hope it go great. Said how long till he get out? He said I don't, it's no date. But I knew he was a killer. Cut your throat, he don't wait. See him pray before he stab you. He just hope it don't break.
Fam, I used to have them bundles like a pack of bitch hair. See me make them disappear, pull a sack from thin air. Used to have them on the corner, back to back the witch blare. The diesel out of nature, boy. So the smack was Ric Flair. The Texan only came in nines, like the back of McNair. Them niggas used to run them packs. I had that, so it's fair. Everything around me icy, like the platinum wristwear. All my herbs from out the garden, they just Madison Square.
We're in a situation where everybody involved knows the stakes. And if you're gonna accept those stakes, you gotta do certain things.